Soft, silky breeze, life and nature poetry. Presentation written and recited by Ken Allen Dronsfield. Enjoy. Soft, silky breeze, revision 3. Light winds move colorful leaves, branches sway in a slow harmony. Roots spread in an opus of bright moonlight. Frosted leaves lie lifeless in heaps, victims of the autumnal dearth. We commune with fairies upon a branch, never argue with them while the moon is high. Twinkling stars hide in shadowed clouds while sing a hymn to the winter queen. A snowflake kisses my cheek. It's hot and savory, like passion on lover's lane. Her breath seems real and tastes sweet in darkness. A rising full moon bright, like a slice of fresh lemon. An epiphany creates uneasiness within the heart. Self-righteous deviants bestow a special place to pray. Peace returns to a cool, moon-drenched forest. I sit quietly in a soft, silky breeze. Thanks for watching and listening, and we'll see you during the next presentation. God bless. Bye now. Some words were changed during production. Thank you again for listening. I appreciate your support.